Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this video, we're going to talk about our review and preview of the markets. So let's get into our analysis. Alright guys, so as you can see from Nifty, so Nifty is again in a sideways market, and so it reached the previous high, and still it is in between the range of 15,450 to 15,900. So market has hit the top, but still for a fresh buying, in case if you are going to enter a new trades in equities, it is better to go for a buy after the market is able to close above 15,900. That will be better option. And if you're already having your positions in equity market based upon Nifty 50, my advice is it is better to hold the positions for some time, because the overall trend is still in a buy trend. For a little time frame, it is in a sideways. But once the market is able to break above and close above 15,900, we are looking for a 16,500 mark in Nifty 50. So the overall trend is in buy, so positions can be held. And coming to Bank Nifty today, Bank Nifty performed really well. And as yesterday we said that the market is going to go for a buy, and the target is 35,800. It reached the target, and we can see it's a double top now. If it is able to break above the double top, the next target will be around 37,700. That is around 2,000 points in Bank Nifty. So my advice is, in case if it is able to close about 35,800, then we can go for a buy, and the targets will be around 37,800. 2,000 points will be in profits. So that is why even today, you can see HDFC Bank has performed really well. We have already posted an analysis of HDFC Bank in the previous videos, and it did perform really well. Now, see, that is why I always tell my students and all the subscribers to be patientful in the market. The only way to make money in this market is to be patient in the market. Because see, when I gave around this time, it went a little down and then went up, and it was consolidating for a solid time. And people get frustrated because of the sideways, and they try to close the position. Now, what happens is the market has broken up. So that is why I tell you, this is equity. So it takes a lot of patience, but ultimate at the end of this trade, you'll be in profits if you are patiently waiting for that profit, because you did your homework, you properly analyzed the market. So obviously it is going to go up. So only thing is we need some more patience in the market. So obviously it's going to give a good amount of return. So I'm hoping around 1640, and that is 1640 target for HDFC Bank. So it's for a long-term buy. And coming to gold, so gold has broken the sideways market and is going to go all the way up. And if I'm not mistaken, according to my analysis, if the market tends to move higher, we may see all-time high in gold as well. So this is the right time to buy physical gold as well. So try to buy as much as physical gold possible. So it's going to shoot up like anything in the coming days. And the target for gold minimum, the retracement goes back to, we can expect another $50 in gold markets. So gold is in a huge buy trend. So you can buy gold as according to your portfolio management. All right. So that is for our review and preview today. Thank you. So alright guys, so that is for our review and preview today, and I hope you are getting benefited from these videos. So I hope this is useful, and thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.